Azoke man. Spinda Sabuya, yet another episode of Istina. Big X is just chilling. And you are watching Istina Betuna. We are back. We never left the pov oko sikhona. Oko man sisibukela izitena zingena ebusweni babantu ipha. but ke andikho lapho apho ndikhoyo ndilapha on this episode siphethe ijuice nyandazi andizi nefusion okanye umonge imali ndiza ne-100% juice hey ndithe xa ndiyifunde yanamhlanje incwadi ezibhalelwe yona man ndaqonda hey andifuna uexplainer without further ado sizaye breaking xa sibuya sizawubiza ubhuti man akasixelele uba kwenzeka ntoni kahle Tango. Welcome back. Yeah. Hey, Betuna, I'm very excited for your episode. And I'm like I said to you, bandine 100% juice. I'm not refusing, not to mongi man. And men's mongi man, 100% juice. The juiciest. Man, kuku putos paleleyo man. What I mean, because there's something, man. There's something. Ukhona lo ndimfaka isithina ndifuna yazi. And isithindi kule show singapha kamandla. Masike sikamkela ubhuti. Li kamzise. Fanagit, how's it?
I'm good.
I'm good as well, man. What's your name?
My name is Meli.
Meli.
Yeah.
Yeah, Meli. Nice to meet you, dog. And I read what you wrote to us about, ne?
Yeah.
Yeah, but I would like you to say it about why are you here and what's really going on?
Firstly, I'm here because of STENA EP8, of course, but like, I'm here to tell my nigga, Uguti, ayo, it's Chai.
It's Chai.
Because he hasn't been there for a while.
Yeah.
So I was the shoulder to cry on. So I'm here to tell him with ayo, ganje na ganj.
Yeah.
Because he doesn't really know what's going on. So I'm here to tell him that.
So basically, who's on ba nomrak?
Yeah, you could say that.
Man, man, never. You can tell someone, someone's girl, but telling them, hey, that takes another. Explainer. It takes. This is been. So how long have you been seeing this girl?
It's been like 6 months now.
It's been 6 months now.
Yeah.
And she's still busy with her boyfriend, eh?
She tells me she doesn't like him anymore.
But she's still busy.
I don't know. Because most of the time she spends time with me.
Are you in love with her or it's just a thing?
It's just a thing.
It's just a thing according to you. Yeah. Ekuzawuthanda ubanzima because I'm not going to man ngabendi 18 you've been busy with someone for 6 months and it's just a thing. What keeps you going and coming back? Is there something specific?
That's the thing. Uguti, me going and coming back to her is because I'm trying to build something and see where it's going to get me.
All right.
So, since Umakala hasn't been there for a while, why not?
All right. Ndukuvaka kahle into ukuthi acacile amazwi wakho babukeli man ke ndiye breaking man ke ndiyosela amanzi kwenzele nizoba ready for le new vadam eza kwenzeka apha siyabuya Big X is chilling and you are watching STENA. siphinda sabuya. You know. Ndiza no 100% with juice, 100% with juice. And this enough views, kanye monge mali mnonjonge kahle. The juiciest. Semvile ke ubhuti aphethe ba man inqina lama ndilithe phaq ngestina ndifaka istina ebusweni. And without further ado man kanimziseni lo bhuti uthwe phaxa ngestina kamzise umbethwa ngestina mzise. Brother man.
Sure.
Ugrand.
Ngiyaphila nje.
Nami ngiyaphila nje yami. Ubani ka?
Kama ngusamkelo.
Samkelo. All right. I'm sure you must have been shocked because one of my team members said you are coming for a job interview and then you are seeing all these cameras. I'm sure it's very shocking, ne?
Hey, nami ngiyamangala man. Usikenzakalani?
Oh no.
Usinyathela umsebenzi.
Oh no nje ngiyakuza. I apologize deeply for that. I'll try reimburse you for your time. But ke uyamazi mosubhuti?
Ngiyamazi ubafu.
Inja yakho.
Ngikhula naye ubafu.
Awe. Now uyambona kai Puti nangu ufikile kamxelele wathetha lanto buyithetha pha kum waye lapha. He has something to tell you. That's the reason you are here.
Sure macala khamba.
Njaya mne.
Yeah, sure buddy.
Yabona nje obuyine.
Yeah, sure.
We here to yo fana. Into ngizokutshela yona ne.
Yeah, sure.
Angazi ucabanga kanjani ne.
Yeah.
Mara boy. Mina nokelo wakho we've been a thing for a while.
Kanjani macala? Libele ngitshela ukuthi ngiphume kulo mntwana lo. Ende ngihlezi ngikhalela kuwe yazi ngilibele ngingekho ngitshela ukuthi mina umfowethu wena uzongigadela ukhwini wami kanti wena uyangidala kanti eziphi macala.
Mamela njengoba ushilo ukuthi ngimgadele. That's what I was doing. Ngikgadela ngidlele.
Sure.
Manje ngidlela kanjani macala owazi ukuthi lo mntana lo ngisuka naye ukuthi nawe yazi mfana lo mntana lo kudala ngenza izinye izinto ezibhedayo for yena ukuthi lo mntana abe grand.
Mamela boy, mamela. Bongekho for this cut. And yena she needed clarity. Bakafuna umuntu azombamba yabo. She needed someone to lean on and ebenkhona.
So ubumgada wena uyagada ubumgada. Qhubeka kanjani ndikumamela?
Mamela ne ngizokushaya ngestina boy. Ngoba dog lo muntu akasekho la.
Usho bani ukuthi akasekho la mfisi lo mntana lo ngimchaziselile mfisi ukuthi njengoba ngizovaka kanje lezi zinto njengoba bengiphumile out bengiyozenza bengenzela mina naye kusasa lami naye mfisi le muntu leya mangibona yena ngibona umama wekhaya la mfisi nomama wami lapha ke ekakhona uyazi ukuthi awumakudi manje yenza kanjani mfisi
without cutting you, let me paint the scenario for you Njayam so that you see. I like the fact that you do bonu mama wengane zakho when you grow. I like the fact that you introduced her to your mother. But let me paint you what's going on, what's really going on. Uyambona lo bhuti?
Ngiyambona.
Yeah. Intombi yakho, your girlfriend, the one that you love the most. He went to his house. You understand? Wafika papa hlala phansi. Probably wamenzela ikofo or whatever. You understand? And then they started taking off their clothes in his bedroom. He didn't. I can't nguye condom. Your girlfriend broke the condom. I'm painting the scenario for you. Wayifaka ubhutis. Yaphuma. I-girlfriend yakho yaphinda yayifaka ngokwayo. You understand? Don't laugh, bruh. Don't laugh. You understand the scenario? So it's deep, Njayam. Imagine they doing that to the person you're saying is gonna be the mother of your kids, Njayam. Do you understand? And it did not end there on that one day. For 6 months, he 6 months, 6 months, ma. Which means every time she comes to you and saying she's tired, she was busy then, Jaya. That's what is happening, Jaya. So I want you to be very, I want you to think very carefully when you say, think about that.
I'll flopile boy.
You understand? Jayam, don't put salt in his wound. This is your friend. He's laughing at you.
But it's gonna be fine though.
Sure. So how do you feel about that, Jayam?
Angazi ukuthi ngizizwa kanjani njengamanje. Umngane wami ngimthemba umfowethu bengikhalela kuwe macala. Mawukuthi wena ukuthi ungenze kanje, bengayi-expectanga ukuthi wena uzongenza kanje ka.
Look at his demeanor, he's just chilling there. He doesn't give a fuck, bro.
Eish.
Marajayam now, dog. Like, can't you get another girl? You decided to come for your best friend's girl.
It's not even about that. Lo muntu bekafuna usizo.
Yeah.
She wanted a shoulder to cry on.
Oh,
and I was
this
there.
is the shoulder to cry on. She cried on you, eh?
Exactly.
No, but ke askola ponjayam. Without further ado, man, usisulapa. Actually, she's here. She's also here, and Abugel, I feel sorry for Uput because he seems like a decent guy. We're gonna find out from Usis about what's really going on, man. I got but why did she decide to go ahead and cheat on her boyfriend, or why did you? Hey man, I can't even talk, man. Yo, it's bindi. We're coming back after the break. And Pate Lusisi, Big X is chilling, and you are. Yeah. Yeah, we are back. Sibuyele ndiphethe 100%. Ungangijongela umongi imali mina. 100%. And we're back. To umuntu bengekho okanye bengayazi ba kwenzeka ntoni. Lo utyela lo. And lo uzoxelela lo boyamtyela or umbetha ngeSTENA. You understand? That is what is happening. So now we're gonna call the girl. We're gonna call the girl that has been hey. Eli comes this. Molo sisi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. Uyabazi la baba.
Yeah.
How do you know him?
I'm not okay. He used to be my boyfriend.
Hayibo. Ben nohlukene.
Mina mfisa ngazi ukuthi ngihlukane nawe. Yazi since nje mangekho zonke izinto bengizenzela mina nawe. Le nawe yazi ukuthi yini engenza ukuthi ngihambe. Reason ukuthi ngihambe uSandra sami. Manje ngiyamangala mawuthi he used to be my boyfriend. Awuzange ngitshela ukuthi angisangisandi, angizange ngitshela ukuthi asathandani mina nawe.
Yeah.
So you guys never broke up, but you're saying he used to be your boyfriend.
Yeah, we never broke up with words. Like actions spoke louder than words. You see, it was that situation.
So you know him. They are friends. Yamasmos.
Yeah, I know him very well.
You? I'm about excited. You see, the energy that you had when you were talking about him versus the energy when you're talking about him, it's different. But yeah, and call up. How do you know him? What is he to you now?
I'd say he's the future. He's the past. That's why the excitement.
Oh.
Yeah.
So you are busy with him.
Yeah.
Right now. Are you guys dating?
We're building. I wouldn't say dating, but we're building.
Boyfriend, but you're talking about building with him.
He knows the type of person I am, so I think he understands when I'm talking about building.
Chayam, this is the person you were saying you're gonna make the mother of your kids. This is the person that you said you introduced to your mother and everything. Listen to what she's saying.
Eish.
When and she wants to build there.
Eish. Yazi mfisi, mina bengacabanga ukuthi uzongenza into ebuhlungu na kanje yazi. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi noma ngifika kithi mangatshela umama futhi uyabona lento yenzakalayo. Ngiyazi uyathanda iTV. Lento akayibonayo manje, eish, disappointment. Futhi nayo disappointed ku. Uyabona umakoti ku. Kodwa ke mina mfisi, into engizokutshela yona ukuthi mangabe into ufuna ukuyenza or into ebojike ukuthi uyayenza. Qhubeke as long as ekujabulisa uhlala wazi ukuthi ngiyakuthanda futhi uyazi ngihlezi ngikuthanda yazi isikhala sakho enhlizweni yami sihlezi sikhona.
You're gonna make me cry. Marake and collab. This is not a laughing matter, guys. Please stop laughing. It's very serious. This guy is hurt here. And Mfethu, how do you feel seeing your friend like this?
Angiyaqala ukubona kanje. Ha.
So this is all an act.
It's not even about an act. Kwamele ube indoda ndoda.
Kumele aqine.
Kwamele aqine.
So you're gonna continue dating lo muntu bethandana naye?
Hawu kathi sizelile la.
Yo! Nayithanda confidence yakho. I like your confidence, brother man. I like. So don't you think the same thing is gonna happen to you that happened to him, that you did to him?
Nah.
You don't think so?
Nah.
Oh. Inhlelo xa ucinga njalo. So what I want to understand now, my sister, you no longer want anything to do with him at all.
Yeah.
Two.
Do.
So you wanna continue with him?
Yeah.
Nje.
Yeah.
Kanjani
Don't-
mfethu?
Okay, let me give you a chance to talk.
Well, you know, we were trying to make ends meet, me and you, and it wasn't working. Like you tried building whatever, and I tried meeting you halfway with the material and stuff, but it wasn't working.
Kodwa
So if you don't see any progress, why keep on?
kodwa yini lengikenzela yona sithando sami ekangakenzela yona ayikho into ebengakenzeli yona isikhathi sami sacrifice yonke into nawe yazi sithando sami
Hawu namanga.
ekuseni ngibuye ebusuku for wena ukuthi ube right.
Can I explain? Ngicela ukucacisa kuleyo part. He'd
Yeah.
leave, like literally, ahambe ekuseni, abuye ntambama, uphetheni. Uphathani? Next. So uphume.
Maka nawe yazi sithando sami amalanga awafani and hustling mawungasebenzi umlungu yazi umlungu yazi ukuthi makuphela inyanga khona imali engenayo leyo mali le engenayo sikwazi ukubhajesa ngayo manje mina ngisipani and imali engenayo sometimes kunokungena 20k sijabule sonke makungena 2k siyaqhubeka manje izinto mazingahlangani babe mangingatholanga next akusho ukuthi izinto kumele zibhede phakathi kwami nawe.
Yo, angikhumbuli mina uthole something. Like angikhumbuli.
So, my brother, as I've seen the way you express yourself to her, but do you understand what's going on? He is busy laughing. He's playing the villain, and when you are the soft guy, do you understand that sometimes you have to beans out in an asshole? Please bleep that. Sometimes you have to be an asshole for a woman to love you. Do you understand that this woman needs you to be an asshole?
Eish.
And when you are a nice guy doing things for a mnenga, you see, this guy is just laughing there. Do you understand, bruh? So what I would advise you to do, brother, please, man, don't settle for someone that is not really into you that way. I can see you are a nice guy. There's a lot of girls that have the same personality as yours. Abanda batanda ba soft in jengawe. You can find them, Jaya. You understand? That's what I'm telling you. You can really find Abu Bandu. And I don't want you to continue with this. I want you to move on, please. But knowing the type of guy with what I've just studied here, I feel like you're still gonna call her. I feel like you're still gonna follow her, Jaya.
Eish. Leli vaka mfethu
Yeah.
yazi kuzoba nzima ukuthi ngi-accept mfethu lo muntu lo sisuka kude mina naye.
But akakufuni unenye indoda akakufuni noba nisuka
Accept.
kude.
Accept boy.
Maka macala ungazenze into ekanje wayenza kanje.
Hayi ukuthi ngenza
Ichomi yakho ikufaka istena awufunwa like the stena is all in your face nje. I'm not even trying to diss you. Uyasibona singakanani sijonga. Uyasibona? It's all in your face nje. So please accept it, brother. Please, that's what I'm asking for your own health. Accept it. And when I see one last question or one last thing, what would you like to say to him? Any advice or anything you'd like to say to him?
Don't give up.
Hey! Don't give up on what?
I'm not saying don't give up on me, and at the same time, I'm not saying give up on me.
Hi,
But I'm
bo.
saying just in life generally, don't give up. Keep on pushing.
Ay, no talking. Mama must get your breakings up in us. Yo. In Kumbuza, one thing, man, when they dump you and then they tell you I'll always love you. But don't give up, Sang and Naive. We're coming back. Big Ass is chilling and you are watching STENA. Bethuna sibuyile. As you can see, I didn't give up. Don't give up. That's the word of the day. Sibuyile. So, Putis, I understand that she told you not to give up. Like, how do you feel, bro? Like, can you express yourself? How do you really feel about this thing?
Angazi ukuthi ngifila kanjani yene. Kodwa lo muntu lo ozama ukungibuyisela kule mpilo bengiphila. Ende nayo nje yami yazi ukuthi le mpilo le bengiphila nje yami akusimpilo yabo. Lekuphila ubaleka njalo nje makubreak even singithukile nani. Ugeli bengifina impilo enhle mina nayo yazi. Kodwa nje yami yabona lezi zinto ezinzile nje yami angazi ukuthi ngiyenzani. Shithi futhi isilwane sakudala ka. Yayithola lento yenzile kimi ka. Yo angazi ka enhle wena nje yami wena ka yo ka.
Utuzama usisilwane sakudala and you are so chill.
Angazi nje yami
Angithusi.
Akakuthusi. Yo.
Mawuse ngikususa uchaza ukuthini.
Ima. But relax. So my sister,
Yes.
what are some of the things that made you leave him? Ileslwan. Hey.
No, I wouldn't say. You know, Mong, I want a future. Like, go blurry. Like, in like, I tried. You know, I tried. Ngasula. But still, go blurry. So I'm like, no, you know what? Titi window, aluminium engine. See, but that's not a future. Not that, you know, one day, man. I'm still saying, don't get one day. It's all gonna work out.
Mara kanjani mfethu ngizamela ukushintsha impilo yami sengumuntu olungile sengenza zonke izinto ezilungile for konke umuntu ukuthi sonke sibe grand mara lento yenzayo ayikho fair.
No, brother, put yourself first. I'm putting myself. This is a lesson, not that I'm breaking your heart intentionally. I'm teaching you something to put yourself first. That's why I'm saying don't give up. Put yourself first and work out.
Sisi kutheni ngathi usahabu therapist, psychologist and yonke all of a sudden.
No, he's a good guy. Like, he can be a good guy. So, I'm feeling at there's a bat. You know when you throw it, the barry is supposed to catch it.
Wait, Njang.
So when you throw a ball and you throw an eye and you'll be so I'm like, let me move.
So Mbeteni, like, how is he?
Was right?
Angazi mfethu wena uzwane kuka lento ezwa kuka ngazi.
I can't.
Mara lento mfethu uzama ukungibuza yona ngazi ukuthi ufuna ngichaze kanjani wena ungangitshela.
Hey.
You see, they say the uzozrata or akuchazela. So when you chose her to tell you how you are in bed,
Usho, go qala lapho usho.
Mara mina ngiyazi ukuthi hayi iyashilami liyagijima still futhi kusisi. Manje sinyasibasa. Ngazi ke wena ungangitshela ukuthi ngenza kanjani. Maybe nabo bazozwa njengoba bamamela.
No, gonna ukusipasa. Mara akuvoti. There's no boom. So with him, there's a boom.
Hey, yebo ukene ntombazane engixakile namhlanje azange ndaxakwa ayandiyana wamanthini. Ay mntasekhaya bathi uyasibathi isitovu ne hawu yaslide qha ashisi kwi-load shedding kwesakho isitovu ntwakuthi but ke andikholaphula brother man, I haven't spoken with you in a while. You see your friend, you are so chilled. It's like you don't give a shit about this whole thing that is going on. It's like your feelings are not even here. It's like you're somewhere else, bro. You understand? So, are you gonna continue dating this girl?
How? Duh, of course. Why is la kahle? Ngoba somtshela ukuthi eyo ichayile kuyi. Ngoba move on. As she said, don't give up, boy.
Kanjani ka?
Keep walking.
Wena ka. Journey Walker kanjani?
Keep walking.
But guys, why you seem like you're insulting him now? Like
insult ukuthi aka accept. Angithi uthi unesilwane. Siyasivova leso silwane sakhe sisibone sifuka angithi ufukushayana wena. Uyalo ngithi.
Ngizama ukwenzani?
Angidweni uyalo wena.
Yabona into engiyithandayo nento la ezandleni zami ngayenza noma yini mfana. Yabo makumele ukuthi
izinto bamshela zona lezi.
Yabona mfisi makumele ngikufela. Ngikufela sithanda sami. ngiyacela mfethu ngicela ngiyazithanda kanjani ngiyaxolisa ngako konke engikwenzile ngiyacela mfethu
Yeah, mangayithi ungakhuluma kanjalo uhleli phansi like
cela usicabange kahle sithando sami
Ihlala
ngiyazi
phansi.
ngiyenzile amaphutha
Siyabonga.
singabantu siyawayenza amaphutha kodwa
Yes.
ugcina ngixolile
Wenzeni?
Ucela ntoni ixolo kodwa ulahla wena nguye wena ucela ixolo.
angithi izinto engizenzile empilweni nezinto shithi izinto bengazi ukuthi ngiyazenza izirong kuye bengibona ngathi ziright kuye
Ubethwa ngeSTENA uthi lento akasayifuni ixolo lelanto. Why are you asking for forgiveness? For what?
ukuthi akekho mnandi empedeni
yes ubani esengikhompletely so yazi
ngikhulumile ngiqedile
No, relax. Relax.
I don't know what's going on, but I don't understand. But leno sando yenza leyo guqa ngamadolo ucela ixolo, but you did absolutely nothing wrong. Why are you asking for forgiveness to someone that has already made up his mind? Jayam, please love yourself. Fall in love with yourself again, Jayam. Ngiyacela Jayam, please love yourself. Uti, it's done. Uti, it's done. She's got. You see how they are chilling.
Yeah.
You see, she's even rubbing salt into your wound. I'm not really impressed with it. Yeah, the tuna, I don't know. I'm disappointed. You can't cook ngamadolo emntwini oxela akufuna ukucela ntoni bengathi uyapropose. Hayi noko. Thank you for coming. Do you have any last words to say to her or him?
yes mina into engizotshela yona njengoba uthi so move on ukuthi ngiyakuthanda futhi ngiyakuhlezi ngikuthanda ngathi linja le ngakuphasa kahle wena njani ndini uzohlangana nabahlanga lento yenzekimi bazoyenza ku ngishaya ngeSTENA njami uGrand wena ngathi bangakushaya ngepavement obakufaka i-tombstone njalo ngiyakutshela nasi yabona uGod nabakithi bayayizwa imithandazo yami njami ngiyakutshela umesaphe nomuntu wrong uzohlangana nempilo ayithuse lapho yakho
uthi uzosithakatha kahle
Yo. Kude siyobhekana nayo.
Andukuvile, and I respect what you just said, Jayam, and it's fine. And I hope it works out for you guys. I really hope it really works out for you guys. I hope it does not end in tears like it did for him. I really hope it works out for you. Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming, brother man, and sharing this story, even though you are so chilled. And now, Sissy, thank you for expressing yourself, yabo. Brother man, one day is one day. But don't give up. There's nothing I can do. Babu Kelly, that is how we wrap it. Thank you to all the people that came through. Siabulela, Big X is chilling, and you were watching another episode of his STENA. Sapindas Bonan. Dango.